আজি ভাল সময় আমি আগে দিগিনে Palayan District Congress Committee, Palayan, Nagaland. Public meeting with Sri S. Subham Baran Jamir. Open wing for Amakala Madam Aigina se, or Amakala dignitaries, NBCC for Aigina. So, Panuke Aji, Amakan Palayan District, Ekdom, Apnikan ke welcome Kriya se.
Assembly of Party against Noida Amkan. Amakan laga against Noida BJP RSS asne. Taikan laga motive, taikan laga bhavana ki asne. Toke na amakan sob jani asne. Joasal Manipur laga situation sob anu jani asne. 230 charges jogase Manipur mein. Ajitang BJP kan not even a word condemnation kura hai. Itya amakan laga RSS kan BJP government 2024 da ahishe koila mane Nagaland ta kan direct to ami han hit nukru de but supply ami han
Christian ase kole mane ami ko aise partner bhi bisi koribo lage bahut diatan de bhi hath pe Congress laga se kor hath pe bahut dibo lage ina ko aise
in your problem to solve kortibo koina Modi government misa koisi to amar impio sister kan lobi brothers kan lobi idu bra taigan misa kwa manu laga government laga dido job nidibo koina taigan election bra abstain kure ase to amar impio people kan do epar kota ulale osa kota di taigan change no kore khali bi taigan ama abstain hobo koina state government logo Government of India bra review koribi 31st December day apni laga ki recommendation ase pata bi bosi state government bra paper to recommendation koribo tia nai to state government against the taigan vote abstain kora ase to Modi government iman tokai dia ase Modi government aha to kinaga hoise first year aha logo takan tinda agenda loigina aise Ayuda temple banabo minority agency asile tubi banai dise Citizenship Amendment Act ito amend kurise ito amend kura tamdi ki koise amar sob education bi jaisi do Citizenship Amendment Act ahibo nidibo ina amar sob strike protection Modi government iman chalak ra Citizenship Amendment Parliament pass kore ase Nagaland de effect no hobo thik ase to pitor de ki banaise mock pra resolution bra to le itu rules to Nagaland de effect no hobo kidya bi no hobo hole bi practically sob to naga manu loi effect hobole ase kinaga Yadi Pakistan manu nai do Nagaland Afghanistan manu nai do Bangladesh manu nai do ekta duda side takibo bore Bangladesh laga to itu tinda laga country brahi Citizenship Amendment Act itu pass kuri dise itu kan manu kan ki India citizen di dibo kun kan 2018 brahi na thaki ase Itukan ki citizenship di dile kali India laga passport loi kina inner line permit kurile India manu noi jabi kobo paribo amaga na paribo to kuti takibo dagan sob Nagaland de hilly ready jabo tribal area effect ho jabo northeast effect ho jabo practically technical Amendment Act ito impose na practically everything will suffer our own people Modi government laga chalak to iman ta kurese amang tribal laga against it itia aro taigan laga resolution ekta Bhagavan bra amakan pishi morum kurese bla as Nagaland for Christ kwa bra Uniform Civil Code pass korbo pare nai within 10 years. Itu last baki ase. This time 2024 Uniform Civil Code to kinabo Modi government aile within 2 months takan Uniform Civil Code lagai dibo. Aro itu nisina amambi Modi government logo alliance laga party ekta amaga laga conscious para chaigina vote digina amar nijor vote digina Modi government logo join group digina ek muina 2 muina majudi Uniform Civil Code Parliament di pass kurigina ahigina amaga laga culture tradition aro custom religion pilai di bole kuribo na amagan nohobo amang sob ikilugi kara kuribo itia to chi olibi Modi government ahibo nidibo amar Christianity protect kuribo lage socialism secularism ito hartai se bole mi no religions free is all out why is ito ekta aside third Mizoram government to hole nohobo amal laga state kina ona Sunday di election counting kuribo nohobo church can be nohobo goise public be nohobo goise to Monday di jagina purise Nagaland to amal Sunday di pradana puri kina church di poi dagamle tapi by election puri politics why state government then they don't have a guts and rights to complain. They are under the directives of BGP and RSS. High command against to group on the Barito Tagan. Arroy Diamond Sop, Koidakisina, Nijur Chokati, RSS, Modi activities to Punji 5 rice, 5 kgs of rice, along with Modi picture. Among Choka Punji, and many of us, innocent people, will say that. Modi to free chaul diya se Modi laga chaul guys Modi laga chaul brainwash kure ase to that is the RSS policies chaul lole bi Modi laga picture to tadi rakhi di na chaul loi jabi nole chokadi loi jale RSS to apni laga chokabi punji jaise itu nisna activities bi punji kina taga dandi Amagan Bra BGP RSS Alliance candidate PTA ki vote hali digna olai digna Uniform Civil Code to ahi jale ki hobo Christianity is out because one religion that is Hinduism, one language that is Hindi, one law that is for the Indian Hindu law. One country, that's true. Itui which I say. So, Taji Amaga Lagaki right ase. Article 371A will be automatically out. Article 371A to kita to Jammu and Kashmir laga Article 370B ini bilai dibo parele Article 371A bi bilabole for Modi it is not difficult. Idu bilale no custom, no culture, no tradition. That means amar Naga culture, tradition, custom so bharai jabo. Under one law, Hindu. No religion, no Christianity. Minority tribe kan, Nepali hobi, Muslim kan hobi. Amar minority tribe kan la rights be pura jaise. Because we are going to live under one constitution, one law, one religion. Itu bra itu situation ay boleh aside. Naga manu lor imbal di nisina church bangi digina on the spot mari digina inga hana itu bra man nipikai. Assam di school jabul takpi napari gina aro church kan amar Christianity kan idia ki life kinaga in hobo gina to Quran nisina Nagaland di amar top napai. Itu bra nipikai. Holebi This is the 19 April is the counting day. Is countdown day for the Nagas, for the Christianity, and for the Nagas indigenous ito ekta hijabo. On that day, whether our Nagas are really believer or not, uchin gurbo. Secular party laga uchin olo uthai dibo na. Uniform civil code laga party ki uthai dibo. Now our Nagas has to think it over. Amar Christian, Amar laga tradition nemedi uchin do uthai dibo na. Secular party Congress logo marigina na RSS directive di taga itu laga uchin hi ulo uthai dibo. Itu uthai gina ahigina amangi matha di marigina chibai dibole. Itu kuribuna. Thus, it depends on 19. The date of 19 April is a holy war day for all of us. Itu bara aman tadi sob nagi aman itu koigina chabo lage. If because in favor of the secularism, party has given the 5 Karandi for all of us. Apart from 28, 29, 30, the major portion of the 5 Karandis are Maki Karone Tinda scheme ase. Koan nisina every woman Amar nisina to kurina taka korde in a year echungi 1 lakh tibo. 50% job reservations for Maki Karone. Aro ito for that Anganwadi workers, Koanishina, that is a 3 priority scheme for the women. Amar Pachagan, Amar Kormanugan, Karunia ekta scheme to ase. Skudi Julagan, Auto Julagan, online delivery boys kan Karuni, insurance scheme, pension scheme, embedded tai kan pick up Karuni. Ido institute didibo. Then the third one is India di 30 lakhs job vacancy ase. Nagaland di 1140 post vacant ase. Sandra di ito boss to 30 lakhs appointment kura logo judi amar Congress Sandra di rolling ahe amagan sob miligina amigi patay Nagaland bi 140 vacancy taka to fill up ho jabo Sandra laga bi anigina didi 5,000 crore rupees for all of us, educated youth, employed, it was so karuni, entrepreneurship kulibo karuni, India di itu release kubo. Amar Nagaland bi share negina, 2 sort of Indian entrepreneurs, they will get the share. Itu nisila scheme gando. Aro amar farming bisi kumde ase, kiti kura manu kumde ase, loan kiti kura tamde loan loa, amagan itya kumba tagibo, holibi itu laga loan bi tibo, limited time, itu time di itu sai gina itu aro loan map kuri tibole, iman tapi aro kiti kura kan karoni bi ekta scheme ani ase. There's a lot of schemes, itu sob to she olibi amagan anigina amar itu beneficiaries to Punjabi. I am only a soldier. We all are the soldiers. We are going for the holy war. And the battlefield is on 19. Ajila election to ole national party, national against the
BJP RSS party policy against the Karagure ase state the BJP dagambe ahi jabi NDDB bi ahi jabi dosra party ita MD kon islabi ahi jabi NBB gambe ahi jabi sob ahi jabi naga manu laga personality culture custom is more important than our political colors. Therefore, I would like to appeal our dear citizens, let us be an honest soldier to fight for the rights. Aro, Solonda Gamgibi, Koidibi, ito election to Tosra Nisina Nohoy, Dibodi Chief Minister, Carmen Laga intention to Dikai Dishe, among sop Congress, ito dole, BJP, ito RSS la police, ito harai di bolido, secular. तो ले सिक्युलर तो कांग्रेसी ओइसो बोला आमान इतु कोइ दागा तो सब बुनी लोइसो तो दागा ताका मोंदी 19 दी काउंसिल वार्ड अथॉरिटीज जीपीस तुबाशिस कानी लगाइ दिगिना आमान सब के आहि बोले निदि किना ताका को कुरि दिबो होम मिनिस्टर আছে पुलिस कामे सब ताइ लगा अंडर जे আছে इतु सब इंटरनल प्लान तो कुरि आइना कैंपिंग कुरा नंदी Nicane kina mo pura ulai sesido, tay, kini kamu itu, kile public itu dibo, kini pura boleh cabut TV, kampurakan, village council kampura, lohi kina sob ekta sahabi mari TV na, state government laga ekta deputy chief minister bra, imanda kubo paramani, 19 di amakan kaune situation tay laga preparation, itu ase de, buah ase. Congress kan, secular party murung burakan, itu ki baribo lage, nijor council member ki kobo lage, kop nukuribo, ward authority kobo lage, kop kuribo lingi dibo. Amar itia to le for the cause. This election is not only for a seat, but this election will be for the cause of the Nagas, for the Christianity, for the traditions, and for the customs. Idobra, we are worried for your council members. We are worried for your tabashis. We are worried for your kampuras because we want to save the custom. We are worried for the Christianity, for the pastors and the delusions. Let us come together, save this situation. Itu sab amal dipra pole mani. Aro itu koi kina. Election dindi naile sob loss. Itu bra koi gina jabo 19 dia amang sob aigina. Major bra ki right ase papi ase amang sob tadi vote has kurele mani. It will be safe for you and me, and it will be safe for our upcoming younger generation. Thank you.